Hey everybody, welcome to the video number 4 of Traffic Domination free list building training videos. Okay, so now we need a checklist to make sure that we stay in on the course and we keeping yourself on track. So the very first thing that you need to decide is what is your end goal. So decide what that is going to be. If you know what that is, then you can move on to the next step, which is do you have the right plugins installed to help you achieve that goal? Then once you plug in installed, do you have a professional looking theme? You don't have to invest a lot of money into a theme. Just something looks clean, easy to use, just look professional, so it's not ugly. It doesn't create the wrong impression about you or your brand. Then, do you have plenty of ideas for engaging content? So what I tend to do is I have an Evernote app on my phone and I jot down a little notes inside of that as I might be in a coffee shop or shopping cart or whatever. No matter where I am, I can always add new ideas for content into my Evernote. And then when I come back to the computer, I just open my Evernote on there and there are my content ideas for the next couple of days. So that's how I do it. So wherever you are, always be thinking about how you can create more content for your website. This idea will kind of spring to you at the strangest of times, and quite frequently they hit the spring into my mind just as I'm getting to sleep at night. And as irritating as that is, I still have to get up and jot down the idea so I don't forget it. So that's the key to this thing. Keep constant notes, and as soon as an idea pops into your head, which will be frequently, just jot it down. Otherwise, you will be forget it. So once you got your idea sorted out, you know that it's going to be engaging content. Are you going to post on a regular basis? This is really important that we need the compounding nature of content. So the more you post, the bigger impact you will have online over the course of time. So it's not going to happen overnight. And I do have an unfair advantage. I have been doing this stuff for 7 years, so there is practically nothing I haven't seen. There's practically nothing I don't know about generating traffic. But listen, that changes all the time. In a couple of months, something new will come on. So you have to keep learning and keep your education flowing. But today, I'm fairly knowledgeable about generating traffic. So that's my fair on that is my unfair advantage. And it means I can launch website and get traffic to it within a matter of hours. Whereas someone who is starting out for the first time, it may take them a few days, it may take them for a few weeks, it may take them a few months. Everybody is different. So you have to boast on a consistent basis, no matter what stage you at in that journey. Then when you posting and creating content, do you have the right keyword in every post? Have a look through the keyword planner tools. Have a look at keyword finder. Make sure that you targeting that low-hanging fruit that you can rank in Google and other search engines for fairly easily, but also have a related iSearch volume. So you know that people are going to come to your site and hang out on there as you creating content. So also is the content you producing easy to read. Remember to use a lot of paragraph short words. Either content solving problems or providing solution. Are you being of service to your niche? Are you actually helping people? Do your content have some real world value? This is such an important thing to learn how to do. So deliver that value actually help people. Another type of content or article that is very popular is list. Are you creating the top 10 best, whatever it might be, or 3 easy way to blog? So listicle are very important. They have got a viral feel to them. So in time, you will notice that your viral hits tend to be the listicle or your interviews, but they tend to work really well for me. And speaking of interviews, are you reaching out to influencers? Are you networking with the right people? Are you talking to everyone, at least new version every day, or at least reaching out to multiple people every day in the hope that one of them will get back to you? Also, are you a member relevant forums and communities? Do you have the signature file working for you? Are you changing it on a frequent basis so people have a new reason to visit your website? Get involved with community, Facebook groups, forums, all that stuff. Get to network with people in your niche. You will be amazed who find you and who can help you along your journey. And then, are you repurposing your content? Are you mixing things up? Are you recording your article? Are you podcast? Are you using it as a video? Are you turning the article into an ebook and then distributing those type of content in its relevant platform for that type of content? And then finally, are you building an email list? This is how you will grow quickly. So every time I email my list, I guarantee that the certain percent of those people will visit my website. That's how you will consistently grow your website over time. It needs to be a combination of all of these things. So there you go. You can download this checklist template, the Traffic Domination Free List Building Training Roadmap, and the spreadsheet in the description down below. That's it for the video number 4 of Traffic Domination Checklist. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if this content was helpful, and with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Tommy Bacardi, peace.